Homestead Handyman here, starting off on a new project. Picked up this used camper here, 2013. It's about 16 years old. It's in good shape, and there's a lot of things I like about it. And so it's got a lot to work with and not a lot of work to do on it. And so I'm happy about that. In the front here, we have a trunk compartment. Let's have a look here. Now don't forget, I've just started working on it. Let me just open this up here and have a look in there. There's your propane tanks. What I like about this is, this will be my area down in here to mount the solar batteries, because I'm going to put solar on it. Also plan to put a automatic lifter upper here, whatever you call it, on the hitch. I like that the spare tire is mounted up underneath there, which frees up the tongue. And that's all good. So let's walk around here. It has a brand new rollout canopy there. Works great. Has a trunk right here, which is pretty cool. Let's see if we can see if this is open. Of course it isn't. Well, it has a tray that slides out the entire length, so you can have your stuff nice and organized. So there you go. So I've already put some new handles on there, new parts and pieces. Let's have a walk around the back here. This is an R Vision Trail Light camper. Weighs 3,770 pounds. So it's pretty lightweight. Oh, that's me there. And here's the back here. Has a ladder going up here. Had to do a repair on there because it was broken. Have to do something about this bumper situation down here. Not sure what happened to it, but it's gone. The bottom is all enclosed and actually has heat inside there on the bottom, so your pipes won't freeze up if you're out in cold weather for boondocking or whatnot. I know it's a bit bouncy, and I'll give you better videos down the road, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at this new adventure. We're going to sell the van and start going in this because, as you know, Carolyn has MS, and we just decided that she needs to have the air conditioning when we go out, and plus we're wanting to go do some boondocking and some other good stuff. And the original intent with the van was that we would just go for a night or two, but we're thinking to get rid of the goats, which we've already started, and way downsizing so we can have some freedom, because we haven't had any for 4 years, and so we're ready to go. Okay, back to the camper. And it has brand new tires on it. And let's have a look over here. The windows are good. They need some new knobs and new springs. Put a new vent cap on already. Put a new vent cap on the roof. The roof is in good shape. Now let's see if this one opens up. Or do we have everything locked? There you go. Alright, let's just see here. Excuse this nonsense here. Alright, so this is pretty cool. How's that? Slides right out, so you can put all your gear in there. So there's a lot of man space in here. I call this my other trunk. And this will be for all my goodies and tools and stuff like that. Alright. You want to have a look inside? Alright, let's go look inside. Alright, it's a work in progress, so remember that. We've taken all the window treatment down, pretty much, and Carolyn's going to make curtains for it. The cushions are in good shape. The table knocks down to make this whole area into a bed, or we'll be using it as a couch for relaxing in the evening. Has an excellent floor. It has ducted heat in here. Let's take a look in here. A nice kitchen area with double sinks and cutting boards on top of them. Has a stove, gas stove, 3-burner with an oven, vent fan, and a microwave. Has oak cabinets. A lot of the new ones we looked at, we thought we were looking just to get floor plan ideas, and they were all junk. They're just going to fall apart. It has a radio in there with stereo speakers. Lots of storage everywhere. We've already started replacing the lights, bulbs, and putting in LED everywhere. Has a vent in the front, which is going to be replaced since it's old and yucky. Air conditioning up here. Over here, oh, we have a big refrigerator, Dometic, with, let's see if we can open this up here. I know it's not the greatest video here, but I just wanted to give you a quick look. So it has a freezer and a refrigerator in there. I got to fix the door. More storage underneath, and that's for a TV, cable hookup, all that good stuff. There's the bed, and Carolyn already got the bedding, so she'll use that as the basis to make the color scheme for the whole thing. Very nice and bright. Big windows in the bed area. You have oak cabinets at the top. Another window over here. Let's see, there goes a light. Another oak cabinet here. And then next to the refrigerator, you have another set of oak cabinets right there. Okay, let's just move around over here. Up here is a curtain that you can use to, if somebody wants to sleep in a little bit and not get distracted by the light. Has a door on here, which I have currently taken off of here to do work in there. Already done a repair on the plumbing because it was leaking down there for the drain. Already fixed. No damage was done. Going to put a new fan in there. As you can see, I don't even know what the deal is with that. Doing a little window work on here. Has a nice medicine cabinet. A very small sink, but what else do you need? Commode, and I'll be installing a new one there. And it has forced air heat in it that's gas powered. The range is gas, the refrigerator is gas, the water heater is gas, so it'll be excellent for boondocking. Alright, and then over next to, we'll get a perspective here, here's the microwave, and there's the bathroom over there, but here's another set of storage here, closets going all the way up and down. The floor is a really thick vinyl and in great shape. So there's not a tremendous amount of work except for just upgrading and not like a tear out or anything. And you can see this lovely area here. So that is a quick overview of the camper, and we want to get this baby rolling. The goats are up for sale as soon as that happens, and we get rid of the livestock. We're out of here. All right. Well, this is the Homestead Handyman out.